Hey everyone! If you're a Mac user who misses Microsoft Paint from Windows, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you the best ways to draw, edit, and annotate images on a Mac, using either built-in tools or free apps. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to quickly annotate images or screenshots, how to draw and edit images like you did in Microsoft Paint, and how to choose the right app depending on your needs. Whether you just want to doodle, annotate, or do basic graphic work, I've got you covered. Let's start with the first option, the Preview app. Many people don't realize that the Mac's built-in Preview app is actually a powerful tool. It's free, it's always available, and it's great for quick edits and annotations, with no download required. First, locate the photo or screenshot you want to edit in Finder. Once you find it, right-click on the file, choose Open with KiteSign, and then click Preview. In many cases, you can also just double-click the file, and Preview will open it automatically depending on your settings. Now that the image is open, look at the top of the window and click the Markup button. It looks like a pencil inside a circle. This brings up all the tools you need: Sketch, Shapes, Text, Sign, and the Color Picker. If you don't see the toolbar right away, go to View and choose Show Markup Toolbar. Now you can start drawing or annotating. Choose Sketch to draw freehand. Use shapes for rectangles, circles, or arrows. Add text to label anything on the image. And use the color picker to change line colors or fills. Here's a small but helpful tip. When you're finished, click File and then Save, or simply press Command and S. If you want to keep the original image untouched, choose File, then Duplicate, before making any changes. Preview is best for quick annotations, editing screenshots, and marking up documents. Now let's move on to the second option, the Paintbrush app. Paintbrush is basically Microsoft Paint for Mac. If you want a simple, familiar interface for drawing, this one feels right at home. To get started, go to the official Paintbrush website, download the Mac version, and drag it into your Applications folder. Always make sure you're downloading from the official site, just to avoid malware. Next, open Paintbrush from Applications. Click File, then New to start with a blank canvas. Or click File and Open. You can add shapes, lines, and text. And if you make a mistake, just press Command and Z to undo. Just like in Preview, holding Shift while drawing helps you create perfect straight lines, squares, or circles. When you're done, click File, then Save As. Choose a format like PNG, JPEG, or BMP. Use PNG if you want better quality, or JPEG if you want smaller file sizes. Paintbrush is great if you're looking for that classic paint experience, simple doodling, or quick sketches. Now for the third option, annotating screenshots with Preview. Sometimes you don't need a full drawing app. You just want to mark something on a screenshot. And Preview is perfect for that. To take a screenshot, press Command, Shift, and 4 to select a specific area. Or press Command, Shift, and 3 to capture the full screen. The screenshot is automatically saved to your desktop. From there, double-click the screenshot to open it in Preview. Click the Markup tool button and start drawing. Highlighting areas, adding arrows or inserting text. This works especially well for tutorials, emails, or quick instructions. When you're finished, click File and Save, or press Command and S. If you want to keep the original screenshot unchanged, duplicate it before editing. Before we wrap up, here are a few helpful tips to keep in mind. Preview is fast and built-in, making it ideal for occasional edits. Paintbrush gives you that classic Windows Paint experience, and it's very beginner-friendly. Combining screenshots with Preview works great for tutorials and presentations. And if you want more advanced features later on, you can explore free apps like Krita, GIMP, or Tayasui Sketches. And one last thing, always save a copy before editing important images. So there you have it. If you miss Microsoft Paint on Mac, now you know how to use Preview for quick edits, how to install Paintbrush for the classic Paint experience, and how to annotate screenshots quickly with Preview. If this video helped you, hit like, subscribe, and comment below what Mac tutorial you want me to cover next.